Cotton property. If we have cotton at home, you try like this. When you rotate some fiber, then you pull it again, so cotton becomes a shape. This is cotton property. Same here in the chakra, how we are making thread out of the cotton. So, I have small piece of cotton and I put this thread here. When I start rotate this way, then after more rotation, the thread become more stronger. Then we do it. One hand I am using for rotation, other hand I am using for pulling. So this is multitasking. This is really very good for develop our concentration. But Gandhiji never said that. Gandhiji's main motto was decentralization, production by masses. When he boycott foreign trade, they start our own trade manually. No electricity those years. See here. The dress I am wearing, that is handmade, hand spun and khadi. We call khadi. This is the bigger one which Gandhiji used first. Then compact version of spinning is also he used. Wherever he goes, he carry with him. This is small compact version. We call box chakra. Same here, cotton I put here. Again when I transport, but this is handy, carry up.